Hello everyone, welcome to our project presentation for the SOLVIO AI Hackathon 2025. We are Team IUT, 4th year CSC undergraduate students from Islamic University of Technology. First, let me introduce the team. Our team lead is Shufan Shahi. He works as our project manager and a full stack developer who coordinates the project and manages the team. Next comes Asifur Rashid Alif. He is our main backend developer who develops most of the APIs and the backend system. Nafisa Haq is our main UI UX designer who also works as the main front-end developer of our team. Lastly, I'm Abdullah Zubair Jem, who works as the main AI engineer fine-tuning LLMs and developing ML models. Now, let's talk about the problem we are trying to solve with our project. Small or medium enterprise, also known as SMEs, serve as the frontrunner of the economy of Bangladesh, but entrepreneurs face severe problems while trying to manage these SMEs. The main problem is SMEs struggle with digital transformation and data-driven decisions. Dedicated websites are not affordable or practical for most entrepreneurs. Transitioning from physical records and Excel sheets to digital records is very hard. Most business decisions are taken on gut feelings or intuitions rather than data-driven approaches, which leads to the degradation of business and loss. Tracking and managing SMEs, managing data across multiple records of Excel and handwritten notes become tough and cluttered to manage, leading to data loss. Now, this is our proposed solution: BizTrack, your all-in-one AI business intelligence platform. Let us go through what BizTrack has to offer. AI-powered data unification. Here, you will be able to upload your Excel or spreadsheets, and AI will automatically clean and organize the messy data into a structured, unified database with zero manual setup. Then, complete business management. From here, you'll be able to have real-time control over your purchases, sales, and view the metrics of revenues, profits, and inventory. And you will have full operational control over the single interface. Then there's the smart AI insights. From here, you will be able to use AI to analyze your cash flow, demand forecasting, demand prediction, inventory optimization, and have keen insights into your customer behavior for smarter decision making. Now let us go through the actual project prototype or the demo. Now let us go over our project, BizTrack. This is the dashboard of our project. Here you can see the 6 core features that we talked about earlier. This is the My Businesses page from where you'll be able to create or edit your existing business and manage them. So let us go over the features one by one. Firstly, business data. From here you will be able to upload the Excel data and convert them into a unified database. Let us go through one sample. This is the business that I created earlier to show you the demonstration. For example, here I select a specific Excel sheet, and if I select the Excel sheet from here, it will map the data firstly into a MongoDB database. From there, you'll be able to start AI mapping to push the data into a unified database. From here, you can see that these are the data that is created here. And if you start AI mapping, it will start the process of mapping the data to the Supabase. It takes a little bit of time. After that, you can see the 7 Excel collections is just mapped into 5 databases, and 972 records are created, which you can view from the unified database as the PostgreSQL database, as you can see here. Now let us go over the next feature, that is the demand forecasting. From here, you'll be able to predict your demands based on some data. That is the upcoming holidays, the week's weather, and the trending products over the last 7 days, 15 days, 13 days, or all time, or also over last year's data. So after that, if you just generate AI insights, you will be able to see the demand forecasting based on this data. As you can see, some products are in high demand, some products are in low demand. That's how this works. Now let us go over the next feature, that is the inventory management. From here, you'll be able to see all your inventories that is currently in stock, out of stock, or you can also sell or purchase a new product from here, and you can also see the inventory analysis using AI. As you can see that this is the demand forecasting part, and this is the optimization summary, that is how much capital is required, what is the expected ROI, and what is the risk level of this business, then which products need to be reordered and the priority of this reorder, then the recommended bundles, how some products can be bundled together, then dead stock clearance and seasonal adjustments. Now let us go over the next feature, that is the customer insights. For customer insights, you will be able to see your specific customer who is buying your products more or who is not buying at all, and customers you're about to lose. From here, if you just run the analysis, you'll be able to see that there are 10 customers for this business, and 5 high priority actions are required, and $1,000 revenue is at risk, and $1,000 opportunity is created. Now let us go over the next feature, that is the cash flow analysis. Using AI, you will be able to generate the cash flow analysis of this business. As you can see here, this is the owner's capital, this is the revenue, expense, and net income for this business, and these are the due and paid payments for different purchases. And if I press the generate AI report, it will generate the report of this cash flow. It will also show the recommended action and all other analysis for cash flow. Now for the next feature, that is BizMine, our local AI chatbot, which has all the data of your businesses. So based on the business, for example, using SmartMart solutions business, it will be able to answer some queries. For example, who is our top 10 customers for this business? As you can see, it lists all the customers and their sales one by one. And these are the basic features of BizTrack. There are also many other features. For example, this shows the key performance metrics, and there's the update inventory, record purchases, which we'll go through in the actual project. Now let us go over what makes BizTrack unique. Firstly, zero setup, AI first integration. Unlike complex softwares, users can start by simply uploading their existing Excel or notebook files, and our AI will do the rest of setting up the business. Hyper-localized intelligence. That means our forecasts and analysis are uniquely adapted for Bangladesh using local weather, festival calendars, and market trends, which is a key global advantage. All-in-one affordable hub. It will replace costly solutions, costly tools with one single platform, which will be able to do all that a business requires. Then conversational access to data. It will empower non-technical owners to get insights through buttons or text commands by BizMind, the NLP-based chatbot. Now for the market size and potential. Firstly, our target market will be the small and medium retailers, wholesalers, and manufacturers, and the businessmen who are tracking data through notebooks or Excels, and who seek digital affordable alternatives to those Excels. Then our total addressable market. There are more than 1 million SMEs in Bangladesh, which is a huge percentage of our national employment. In the first few years, we'll be able to potentially generate 11.25 million plus PTT in annual recurring revenue. Then the growth potential. Post-pandemic, digital adaptation is becoming significantly important in Bangladesh, and by the government's help, we can employ BizTrack into everyday solution for all the SME entrepreneurs. And in the near future, we'll be hopefully able to scale it throughout the East Asian market. That will be all for today. Thank you.